Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, today I'm just making up a little bit of ashes to keep in my ashes bottle for fire roll. And I got some Tulip Poplar bark here. Let's process it up. I found this half piece of cotton ball in my shirt pocket, so we'll use that. We'll make a fire roll out of these ashes. You're gonna get rid of that outer bark, save the inner bark. But you're not going to throw away the outer bark because the outer bark will burn well. All right, this is what we have. Let's break it down into finer and we'll use a round top board today. We'll just use one of my pieces of tulip poplar leaning against the fence. We'll see what we can do in this wind here. About a quarter teaspoon of ashes. And I can tell there's a lot of pine needle ashes mixed in with that. You're gonna roll it till you get like a little groove in it, like an hourglass shape. That'll help it track. See smoke, keep on rolling it. I see smoke. Transfer that ember on down back over to this side too. Now it's transferred over here. Tulip poplar is very easy to work with. All right, we'll let that burn for a couple of hours. Come back and strain out the ashes, try them out, and stick them in the bottle. All right, I did not have to wait 2 hours. With this wind out here, it's burned up well. And that white ash is really what you want. So those are going to be some great fire roll ashes. Now I'm going to attempt to strain them out in a sustained 5 to 10 mile an hour wind. We'll see how that goes. So far, no gusts. Good. Now let's try some of them out. Now, what I had planned to do was to reuse that round top board, but I think I actually broke it up and put it in the fire and turned it into ashes. So we'll go ahead and see if we can break a piece of this off, which this is a lot thicker wood, so I'm gonna have to really hit it hard. That should work for our top board. Let's give it a try. Boy, that wind, it's just constant, you know it? About 1/4 teaspoon of ashes. And we'll need a little bit on the board too. So I'm going to go ahead and spread some more out on the board. Got a little bit of a hump right here where this knot is at. So I might try to fire roll it over here. Just do the best you can do under the circumstances that you're given. All right, like I said before, we're going to take and give it some forward rolls until we wear sort of a groove in the center, sort of make it hourglass shape so that it'll track. Looks like this would be the best side to do it with. Let's give it a try. you don't see smoke, go back and roll it some more. I see smoke. Let's see if it'll be able to surface. Yeah, it looks like it's surfacing. So you can use, I've used bottles before and branches, and you can top board with a round board. It's just the tracking can be tricky and irritating. But like anything else, it just takes a little practice. Let's fire up those pine needles. Before you leave my channel today, make sure you subscribe, hit that notifications bell, and in the drop-down list, select all. And please give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.